Welcome back to the Midden Computer Trading channel. So far, we've learned how to open CapCut, import, and organize our media. In today's lesson, we'll take the big step into basic editing, cutting, trimming, and rearranging clips. These are the building blocks of every great video. So before we start, please like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to learn editing. Let's make video editing fun and easy for everyone. Alright, let's jump right in. Step 1. Cutting a clip. To cut a clip, move the playhead, that's the white line on the timeline, to the spot you want to split. Then click the split tool or press the shortcut key. Your clip will now be divided into two parts. Step 2. Trimming a clip. Trimming is simply shortening a clip. Hover your mouse at the beginning or end of the clip until you see a double arrow. Then drag inwards to trim away unwanted parts, like pauses or mistakes. Here's a neat little trick. You can actually hover over the edges when you're done trimming to see an exact count of how many seconds you trimmed off. Pretty cool, right? Step 3. Deleting unwanted sections. If you don't need a section, just select it and hit delete on your keyboard, or right-click and choose delete. This keeps your timeline clean and focused. Step 4. Rearranging clips. You can also rearrange clips to change the order of your story. Simply drag a clip left or right along the timeline and drop it where you want it to play. Step 5. Zooming in and out of timeline. To edit more precisely, zoom in or out of the timeline using the slider at the bottom. Zooming in helps you make accurate cuts, while zooming out gives you a full view of your project. And that's it. You've just learned the 3 most important editing skills in CapCut: cutting, trimming, and rearranging clips. With these basics, you can already clean up your videos and make them flow smoothly. In our next lesson, we'll explore how to add text and titles to your videos so you can make intros, outros, and captions. Don't miss it. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share so more people can start editing confidently. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. On screen and card. Subscribe for part 4, adding text and titles. Comment below, what's the first clip you trimmed today?